Are you looking for the best car seat cushion cover seat heater? In this video we will look at some of the best car seat cushion cover seat heater on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 12 volts heated car seat cushion cloth, flannel. 12 volts heated car seat cushion cloth, flannel car seat heater winter warmer seat heating car accessories heating pads universal color flannel black, brown, red cloth black, brown, orange weight 430 grams material, flannel, cloth size show in the picture voltage used with 12 volts voltage 3 modes available mode I 13 watts mode 2. 20 watts mode 3 25 watts 30 seconds heating up. Number 2. Universal car seat cover breathable pool leather pad, 100% new. Material plush size length width 50 centimeters, bucket diameter 6.5 centimeters conversion, 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, 1 centimeter equals 0.393 inches warm tip. Please be reminded that due lighting effects, monitors brightness, contrast settings etc. There could be some slight differences in the color tone of the website's photo and the actual item. Item measure by hand, it could be 1 centimeter different. Your kind understanding will be much appreciated. Number 3. 12 volts heated car seat cushion cover seat heater. High quality breathable fabrics, superior workmanship 3 thick sponge soft to the high resistance wire heating intelligent power thermal protection new heating design. Quality cigarette lighter plug input current 12 VDC maximum power consumption 45 watts plus 35 watts. Low power consumption 36 watts plus 3 watts fuse 10A power line 133 cm seat selection single seat version. The 2-seater version size 96-48 cm maximum power consumption 45 watts plus 35 watts. Low power consumption 36 watts plus 3 watts. Number 4. Linen quilted embroidered car cushion without backrest. Car linen seat cushion without backrest, 3-piece set for all seasons, car seat cover accessories. Protect and preserve your car interior helps protect your vehicle's interior from spills, damage, stains, food, dirt, mud and more. Can be wiped or machine washed. Ideal for sports vehicles, taxis, vans, work vehicles and more. The soft surface of the seat cover can relieve fatigue caused by long-term driving, relieve back pain, and improve your driving experience and safety factor. The car seat cover can be installed quickly, without lifting or removing the back seat, and it is easy to clean. It can be directly wiped with a damp towel or removed and rinsed with water, and then let the seat cover dry naturally to extend the service life of the seat cover. Number 5. 12 volts electric seat heater hot keep warm winter. High quality breathable fabrics, superior workmanship with the heated seat cushion. You can enjoy warm and comfortable car rides during winter or cold night. Made of high quality cotton, smooth and comfortable touch. 3 thick sponge soft a new heating design. Quality cigarette lighter plug. Have 2 heat settings, you can choose the thermostat as you like. Alloy heating wire and double helix heating wire can enhance security. Thermostatically controlled to prevent overheating. Over 65 C, power insulation.